Welcome to this brief tutorial on how to navigate the DeepWardly School of Spiritual Formation. If you're on my website, DeepWardly.com, you can simply click the link that says School of Spiritual Formation and it will take you to the online school. So for example, let's say you're wanting to participate in this course on my book, The Intimacy You Desire. You can click on it and find out more details about the course. There's an introductory video to watch, the free trial, or you can simply click the button to purchase. You'll find a course description as well as a blurb about who is teaching the class, in this case myself, and then they'll show a brief list of the course curriculum, although typically more of that list is available after you actually purchase the course. So let's click the buy button. It will take you to the place where you would log into or create your account. So in this case, I already have an account, and I'm just going to go ahead and sign into that account. And it says that I'm already enrolled in this particular course. So now that I'm enrolled in it, I can go to all of the courses. I'm going to click Resume Course, and it's going to take me to the main dashboard for this course. One of the most important things to note about any of the courses on the DeepWardly Online School of Spiritual Formation is that the dashboard menu is to the left side of the screen. So if I click on that, it'll take me back to the main page. I can resume any of the courses. But if you ever find that the menu isn't showing up, then you'll want to click this little button to the left. Clicking that button shows you all of what the course entails. You can click on the chapters and they'll be listed right here. You can monitor your achievement and progress. So for example, right now, until the book comes out, you'll have access to the Welcome to the Course page. And you'll also be able to click on Before You Start, a message from Tom, which describes a little bit about what will be happening during the course. If you try to click any of these others, they will not be ready for you to see quite yet. I'm still working on many of those. So as of right now, you'll just have access to a couple of the portions of the course. But that is the way that you navigate through the online School of Spiritual Formation. Whether you're on a mobile device or on a desktop, just make sure that you have access to the menu to the left side, and you can go back to your dashboard and find all of the different courses and retreats that you are enrolled in. I hope that tutorial is helpful, and thank you so much for your interest in the online school.